You think the new year cares about your goals? It doesn't. It's coming whether you're ready or not. An unstoppable tide that will either crown you or crush you. Every sunrise from here on out is a test. Are you going to conquer it? Or will you crawl into another year of excuses, guilt, and wasted potential? No one's coming to save you this time. Not luck, not motivation, not the fake promises of new year, new me. This is war, and only the disciplined survive. Step 1. Audit the battlefield. You cannot dominate what you don't understand. Before you move, analyze every weakness in your daily habits, every distraction, every wasted hour. Be brutally honest. Cut out the noise. If it doesn't serve your mission, it's dead weight. Step 2. Set targets that terrify you. Forget the comfort goals. Choose goals that make your stomach tighten, because growth doesn't live in safety. Write them down, visualize them daily, and remind yourself, comfort is the enemy, not failure. Step 3. Create a ritual of consistency. The strong don't wait for motivation. They operate from discipline. Schedule your progress. Make it a ritual. When the world sleeps, you move. When others complain, you act. When you feel nothing, you still execute. Step 4. Embrace controlled chaos. The path will break you if you resist it. You'll fail. You'll lose people. You'll question yourself. Good. That's where strength is forged. Adapt, learn. Adjust your strategy, but never retreat. Step 5. Obsess over progress, not perfection. Every day you sharpen your edge, track your wins, study your losses. Your progress will compound like a storm building on the horizon, unseen at first, then undeniable. This isn't a resolution. It's a declaration of war against every version of yourself that settled, slept in, or gave up too soon. When the clock resets, you don't. You evolve. You become the one no year, no failure, and no storm can break.